why do you choose to live and work in a place like this?
Well, it's really the only place I can really write my songs as natural as I can without any interference from outside influences.
And what advances do you get from the countryside here? I mean, it's beautiful, but I think the prospect.
I get inspiration from things around me, and if it's not a sheep van in time for the tracks, then maybe I get an inspiration from unfortunately a chainsaw cutting something.
Don't you like the big city then? Don't you like having to go to big city studios and working in them?
Not really. I mean, I'm an outside lad, so I'm much happier if I'm playing outside.
Countryside we're in is absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's picture postcard stuff. Is that why you choose to live and work in Scotland?
Aye, well, it's my home, you know. So I feel that if I'm here and I'm surrounded by the right kind of things, then I'll come up with the most original ideas without any outside influences.
I mean, what kind of environment is it to work in? Is it quite a calming place to work, or
Oh,
what?
aye. Well, you know what it's like, Billy, when you're among studios and in video places and that. They're all a bit dark and gloomy, and you're pressed for time to come up with things and that. And I think that if you're well prepared with your ideas before you go into these places, then you're fine. And that's why, you know, I do all my preparing, and all the ideas that I have are based in this kind of environment.
I mean, you're quite a distance away from the airport and the big cities, even in Scottish terms. Does that make it any kind of disadvantage for you?
No, really, because you see, Scotland's a cornerstone for the world now, for music and that. And so, I mean, with video and everything, you can be where you want to be now and sort of transmit your songs and your images all around the world. Yes, all around the world.
That's right, cool.